Hey guys, it's Chemica. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a crochet wig. I'm using FreeTress braiding hair. This was $9.99 plus tax at the beauty supply store, and I'm using the 2x1 curl. This is in the color T30. Well, I believe, yeah, this is the color T30. Some of them come where it's on braid and it starts off one beat into T30, but this is just fully T30. I have 2 packs of these, and well, technically I have 3 packs because I have like some here and then the 2 full packs, and I also have a crochet wig cap, and it comes with combs. This is $2.99 at the beauty supply store, and I have a crochet needle, and that is all you need to make the wig. So I'm going to fast forward, make it, and then come back and show you guys how it looks. Saw the wig and just had to try it on. So it's my lovely mother, and I have to trim it down because it actually hangs down in front of your face, but I want to do like bangs. I'm a bit nervous with cutting it because I'm not great at cutting it. Yes, do a twirl for me please, and move forward. Give me a second, I'm doing business in here. Thank you very much. Give me a second, I'm doing business. Security, please escort Mr. Bryce, please.
Okay.
Alright, so yes, I gotta style it. I'm gonna style on my head.
Why I gotta
Bryce, how it look?
I think the pretty good for now.
So I have my hair. I just put it back onto the mannequin head because I'm not gonna place it on my hair right now. It has clips installed into the cap already. So the cap came with clips installed in by the side, like this part. It's 3 clips, and my hair is in cornrows right now, but it's not like the back is not crocheted in. You can see right here, the back piece is not crocheted into the braids, so I gotta do that first. And I'm just measuring this. I'm using this as a measurement so that I know when I put it back on the mannequin where the middle is, or if I put it on my head I will know where the middle is, because once I cut this, it's so easy to get it mixed up, you know. Use 2.5 packs, and I have, oh shit, I'm sorry. It was open, so I used 2 1/4 of the pack actually, because I have more from the other half. I got way more from the other half. Where did the paper go? I wanted y'all to see the brand again. So yes, again, this is the brand that I used, and the color right here, ringlet 1 curl, the type of curl it is. and crochet and latch hook because I use the crochet needle. Yeah, see, it look like it don't look good. It looks good, but then it's like this is the kind of thing that will like crawl my skin a bit. Just all them. Okay. And then under my hair. Oh, it's tight. It's tight. It's tight. Okay, so you're not gonna do this. I need to see it on my phone. Okay, so this is how it looks on my head, y'all. Yo, it looks nice. I feel like I cut this part a little bit much, so oh shoot, I knew it wasn't lined up properly. Okay, so this is the middle base a bit. Yeah, no, I can't see shit. And I need my glasses because I couldn't see nothing. I like how big and fluffy it is. I do like that. I kind of want to cut it, but at the same time I don't want to. But what I am gonna do is like shape up the part that's hanging over my face. So I'm going to shape it up to match my glasses rim. So I have to definitely follow wherever this is. This gotta be lined up in the middle. So take this here and this here and cut it. Yeah, still puffy and curly at the top, or at the back, still puffy and curly. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And I like it. Oh, and I'm wearing my brother's shirt. His sweater. He left it, so obviously he ain't want it. So no, you're not getting it back. All right. Yeah. I look good. Okay. Yo. I look good. Wow. All right. I still might just wear a hat, but I like it. I look good. I gotta stop doubting myself. That's why I got it. Right, y'all, so as you can see, the hair looks a bit crazy right now and it is bleeding, but this is the front of the head. I remember from the mark that I had left. Okay, so I'm back, y'all. Alright, so I'm back. I have my hair in cornrows and they're I got in some cornrows and everything right now. I'm not putting on a stocking cap because it has some clips in there it can pin onto my braids. So I'm gonna put this back on to show y'all. And I got my little kit right here filled with hair supplies. So I'm gonna need a scrunchie. I'm gonna need a wrap and everything. Different ways to style it. And I want to say that this wig can last like a week. It can last a week. It could be like a throw-on wig. It could be your Zoom call wig, like, or if you just want to take pictures, it could be a picture wig. 2 at the back and literally just 1 at the front, just sitting there watching me like. Okay. Let's in at the back, and then I'm gonna get it on to the front. There's 1 clip on this side, 1 clip over here. Okay, this is how it looks. I cut it down, and I know I recorded myself with it before when it was a bit puffier, but I like how it looks right here, much more fitted, I guess. And I definitely can slim it down some more, but like I said, I'm not good with the whole cutting and trimming and stuff like that. I'm not good with that. So this is a good enough length. I can leave it out straight like this, obviously. This is the back, how it looks on me. You can't really do anything right now. Oh, this is cute, like a if I had like a off the shoulder dress type stuff, like. Yeah, so you could leave it straight down like this. The bangs, you didn't even need to give yourself bangs. You could have just had it like far or whatever. What I noticed is it's windy outside, yes, so it will blow up and you'll see the cap right here, right? So you can put a headband there. Colors looks gorgeous. The color is gorgeous. Alright, so it's over the whole head, and I'm just going to bring it up into like a puff. Alright. Just bring it upward, and then you're going to tighten this here. Bring it up as much as you can. Put the headband over the bangs, which will help keep the bangs down if it's windy outside, or if the weather just doesn't want to agree with your hairstyle, like that. And cover it up. Just like that. It's like a puff. Alright? And that's how you work with it. Here's the puff. This is how the back looks. I only have to see everything, so y'all see it will look something, right? And then place it on my head. And you can tie it at the back and just leave it to like just hang down there, because I know that can be a style. Or you can just bring it back towards the front like that, and you got a headband wig. Okay, really cute, really affordable. You know, we're gonna be looking nice and everything. Everything I got here was from the Beauty Supply store, and when you put it together, it was less than or equivalent to $30. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. If you have anything to say, go ahead and comment down below.